So we are going to do problem on problem number 44. So it is a special case problem, that is a tetrahedron. So in the question, you can refer to the question. He says a tetrahedron of 55 mm. Okay, so when he says tetrahedron of 55 mm, you must draw a triangle, equilateral triangle of 55 mm. Okay, you know how to draw equilateral triangle. Just make sure that it is 55 mm. Select the whole thing, and he says that it is resting on one of its corners. So just make sure that it is resting on a corner on the right side. Okay, so it is resting on the corner here now. Change the thickness of this to 0.5. Also draw medians. 3 medians you have to draw. Okay, these are the 3 medians. Later you trim whichever is unnecessary. Okay, later you trim the things which are unnecessary. And also you must make sure the thickness is 0.5. Then project again from 1 and 2. Okay, now here this is the center axis point. Okay, and we don't know the axis height here. Axis height will not be given, so just draw this line continuously. But from this side, from the cornermost side, wherever you are having the corner, from there take whatever length is given. If he is given tetrahedron of 35, then here you have to take 35. Here tetrahedron of 55 is given, so this here I am taking as 55. Excess amount of axis which you are drawn, you just trim this. Draw the line here. Draw the line here. Change this whole thickness except this axis line. Change it to 0.5. Okay. This whole thing. Now it says the edge containing the corner is inclined to 50 degrees. So edge containing the corner, you can say this is the edge, this is the edge, this one edge, this edge. 2 edges are there. So what I'll do is I'll go for move copy. Okay, I'll place this nearer because I'm going to rotate it anyway. I'm going to place it nearer. Okay, I'll go for rotate. I'll select this edge. Okay, and go for position angle and leave it as 50. Okay, so that is 50. Drawing this in sketchbook is also easy. How to do this? So this length, you know, it is 55. This line length is 55. Draw the line at 50 degrees. Then find out all the other points. Okay. So project this. Project the lines. So from the top, if you see, this particular edge will not be visible. So these two lines which I am drawing now will be dashed lines. Even this also will be a dashed line. Change this to 0.5. Okay. Now in this particular problem, he has said that the edge is inclined to BP and HP. So in this tetrahedron case, whenever he says edge is inclined, also we have to consider it as beta. So he says it is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees. So what we'll do is we'll take 55 mm length because the side length is 55. Okay, I'll take it as minus 150. Means it is nothing but 30 itself. Okay. Then I'll draw the locus. Change the line to locus line. Okay. Then I'll take this measurement of this edge, 35.35, the edge on which it is resting, that particular edge. So from here, 35.35, and make sure it is joining this line. Then you make sure that you place this thing on that line. Select the whole thing. go for move copy, and when you're move copying, we must select this particular, okay, place it on that point, go for rotate, again select the end point, okay, just make sure it is okay. So the angle between this and this one will be 51. Later you have to just again project it back to the VP. So you know this particular point is here. Make sure your projection lines must be straight. Then you have this particular point ABC. So it is resting on C. So this is just okay. So you're getting this point here. Okay. So one line will come here. That will be dash line because it is cutting the face here. So this will be a dash line. So change the thickness of 0.5. So that will end the problem. Naming and all, you just go through that. The procedure is this one for your tetrahedron, and you must remember this tetrahedron procedure. Okay, the axis height here, see 44.91 for 55 mm tetrahedron. This you have to remember this procedure for isometrics also. Okay, we'll maybe meet again in the next class.